So, a good morning to you and welcome along to the Eclipse motorcycles. As they say, it's Daddy Lochwood's ride out and we're here with all the boys. So, without further ado, roll the video.
Oh dear.
I'll tell you what, this thing's going to go bloody viral. So here we are with the VFR, the 800, and as Zed had said to us, you've got to do the ride in a Scottish accent the best you can. The Daddy Lochwood ride. So we're heading out, should I say, with Simon GTR 1400, Andy GSA tractor, the Boo Rider, and Hayden. Heading out from the wee Eclipse motorcycles. And we shall see how long we can stay in the Scottish accent as best we can. So, the annual Super Sausage Ride from the Eclipse motorcycles. Now this wee beastie is a VFR 800. And she's got oodles of power. She is up for the sale, so if you are interested and you want to ride a bike like Lochwood, then give us a call. Now that'd be me. The GTR is not working, isn't working. It has got its plugs soiled, so we are on this one. One of our guys has got his top box undone, so he's going to tag to the back. So once we get on the dual carriageway, we're going to be away. And there'll be a wee bit of wind noise from this. Obviously no screen. growl from that VFR engine. Absolutely superb, and you can see why Lochwood likes his bike so much. And the Insta's deciding it wants to go everywhere today. Now the seating position on this, absolutely superb. Rides like a wee beastie, and you can see why Lochwood likes it so much. And you can blame Zedhead for this, asking us to do the super sausage run with a Scottish accent, but I'll not do it to the best. But in a wee moment, we'll open her up and see what she can do. Now the other challenge we had from the wee Zedhead was to sing a couple of the Scottish songs. But I wouldn't want to go 500 miles. But the bike does make you feel like you're alive and kicking. Especially when you open it up and it does this. The acceleration you get, absolutely fantastic. And just look at the wee bikes go past. It's the S1000RR from the Newrider. That'd be the KTM. And the man himself, Simon GTR 1400. And the Diversion 600. That'd be the wee Hayden. And then just behind over my shoulder, that'd be an Isker 125, ridden by Ali, who's Hayden's partner. So, We're on a motor stud, the lovely Super Sausage. We're going to edit out now. Have a wee bit of scran. And that be the Andy GSA tractor. So we'll catch you all in a wee few when we get to the sausage. But before we do that, in the true Lochwood style, we are gonna do this one more time, and away you go. So we be at the wee Super Sausage for a bit of scran with Andy GSA tractor, Newrider, Simon GTR 1400, and he and Ali just pulling in. And this be the wee VFR Daddy Lochwood style, and we'll catch up with you in just a few.
Many hours later.
So an enjoyable morning at Super Sausage. I am back to normal voice now. Doing too much of a Scottish accent, it's giving me a sore throat now. But we are on the VFR 800. Nice little meet up this morning with the boys, Simon, Andy, and of course Newrider, MT Belly, Uncle Red Rhythmic were all down here as well. So it's a good old day had by all. And of course the obligatory bacon and sausage rolls in the top box. We are off. Doesn't that sound sweet? You can see the appeal of this bike. It is full on nutty nuts. Love it. Absolutely love it. And obviously can't wait to get back on the GTR, but flying around on this VFR 800, the noise from that can at the back, the power, the handling, oh my god, you can just literally flick this thing around. I can see the appeal for Lochwood, why he loves this bike so much. Now obviously he's got a 750, this is the 800 version. But oh my god, what a beast and a half this is. Absolutely lovely. As everyone said, Daddy Lochwood. Yes, thanks guys. So, a little bit tongue-in-cheek for the first bit of the ride. You can blame Zedhead for that. He asked to do the... everybody do it in a Scottish accent. They were killing themselves laughing. You watch the first bit of the video where we, just before the title scroll, they were killing themselves laughing. Me attempting a Scottish accent does not work well. But challenge accepted, Zed. It's been done. But good ride out. Andy GSA tractor obviously on the BM. Steve was on his KTM. Simon on the GTR 1400. Boo on his S1000R. And that's just been decatted and remapped. 205 brake out of that thing. And obviously get back, edit the video. And there should be some really good Insta footage off of this. Still got the Insta running. Sitting down the front. And we're going to try and get the GTR in this week, all the panels off, get them spark plugs clean, new set in there, and hopefully be back on the road. But oh, what a bit of kit this is. So a bit of a full-on week next week. Busy week in the garage. That thing as it just rev matches down. What a sound. Have a listen to this. God, that engine sounds so good. And she's ticking over nicely, half a tank of fuel running at 78 degrees. This one is up for sale. If you are interested in Eclipse motorcycles, give us a call, 01908 643 603. VFR 800 on a W plate, just 25,000 miles. It's not even been running yet on that mileage. But the power, once you can this thing on, just perhaps easy to flick this thing around. And that power just unleashes. I've still got a couple of gears to go. Jesus H. Christ. It runs so nice. But obviously with no screen, there was a bit of wind noise there until you tuck yourself down over that bubble. Once you tuck down, it's lovely. Got a couple of other bikers in tow as well. And he ain't hanging around. Plus the Insta doesn't like having wind into the front of it at this type of speed, so might just cut back to the drift cam now because the Insta is not staying stable up the front. Oh, happy days. This bike is just a pure adrenaline rush. Gorgeous, absolutely bloody gorgeous. Now obviously down at the sausage we had the old Metropolitan Police riders come in. Boys took the bit, quick arrest him. Why is that? Trying to be a fake Scottish accent, he's impersonating a Scotsman. True. But if you want to see how a Scots rider rides one of these, go and look at Lochwood's channel, guys. He throws that bike around. So something he probably does a lot better than what I do. But this thing is just a pure nuts machine, absolute full-on nuts. Now obviously this is an ex-IAM bike, so you know it's been cared, it's been loved. But the seating, riding mirrors, you can't fault it. Bloody lovely. Would I buy it myself if I didn't have the GTR? Oh yes. Oh, I love anything I ride though. Now obviously Boo had footage today, Andy GS8 Tractor has got footage from today, Simon's got his footage. There's going to be loads and loads of video of this going up. So, the channels to follow this week, and they are all in the description below. We've changed the description and put in the riders that normally stick with us in our little group. That is people like Zedhead, Zedhead Motovlogs, Lochwood, Escher Vlogster, Simon GTR 1400, Andy GS8 Tractor, MT Belly, Boo Rider. Just to name a few, but all of them are down the bottom in the description on every video. Now, Burning Gas hauling us from Scotland, Exeter Rider, Western Supermoto Vlogs. Loads down there, go and check them all out. There are loads and loads more, but there's a YouTube link for every channel down the bottom in the description now. We've changed the channel up a little bit more just to try and get a few more views for all the bikers that have only got small subs. Obviously I've got about 2,400 now, but we're trying to get the other channels a few more views. And it would be helpful if you can go across, click the like and subscribe on their pages as well. Follow what they do. We all do it for the love of biking. And a big thank you to obviously the guys that came into my live stream on Friday and donated money. We don't need the money, guys, but thank you very much for that money. I spoke to Military Biker the other day and said to him, look, someone's donated money on my channel. I don't need the money, I'm doing it for the love. It was nice to have the donation come in. Is there a PTSD thing or something that I can donate that money back to you to? And it has gone to the Calgary Food Bank. So it's people like hard up families, ex-military that haven't got any food in their cupboard. They can go down to the food bank, get themselves some food. So that's gone to a worthy cause. And I always do like to donate to our ex-forces boys, and obviously people that have hardship. Yes, we all have hardship. And a couple of quick ones on a downside of it. Obviously you do follow the 1000cc club. Now Brandon that runs that with his dad Barry, Brandon is very into the mental health awareness. And he's on my page as well. He was in the live stream the other day talking about mental health awareness. Oh, excuse me. That wind is biting today. About 2 degrees at the moment, and it was bitter this morning. Even Andy with his tractor had his heated seat and heated grips on. But very good day up by all. But Brandon was telling us about mental health awareness, and there is a big thing coming up in August. He will post a link up on his page probably, but do follow the 1000cc club, 1k club, jump on that, and I'll put a link up to it as well. But they're very into mental health awareness, and there was a couple yesterday, and it went up on the biker's page and got pulled down very quickly. Obviously this guy feeling a bit depressed, went out, decided to climb a pylon and throw himself onto the high power cable. You know, if you're in trouble or you need help, Biker Brotherhood is all here. Just message one of us, that's what we're here for. Because everybody gets a bit depressed, everybody gets a bit down. But if you are in that sort of thing, you know, you're in the need a bit of a help, reach out to the Biker Brotherhood. That's what we will do. You know, there's always one of us that's at the end of a computer that's always willing to talk, and you can do that on Facebook Messenger or message us on YouTube. Most of us pick up our messages within the hour, so if you are feeling down, message one of us. You know, it's nothing better than just to get something off your chest. I have bad days as well. I have great days, like today, where I'm absolutely loving being on this, but we have down days, and there's nothing better than talking to someone. So before we go down a rabbit hole too far, we're going to head back to the garage, get these bacon rolls put in the car, take them home to Mrs. B, and of course the tunnel. What does the tunnel always mean? It means this: Red Bomb Concert Hall. Gorgeous bike to ride, and of course the end of the Daddy Lochwood challenge. As I say, all our Scottish bloggers up there, Zedhead, Ayrshire Vlogster, Lochwood, all part of the basic bikers team, and we're looking forward to go up and meet all of those in June. So that will be a good weekend had by all. God, this VFR just sounds so good. I think final bit of the ride below, visor up. That just sounds so sweet. She's just singing away. Absolutely singing, this bike does. As I say, she is available if you do want to own this VFR 800, ridden and approved by Red Bomb. And if you want to see how a VFR should sound, go and listen to Lochwood's. But yeah, you can't get better than one of these. It's just a full-on nuts machine. So if you did like it, 01908 643 603 is Eclipse Motorcycles. Thanks to everybody that came on the ride out. We will see you on a few more test rides this week. If not, we will see you on the live stream Friday nights, 8 o'clock every Friday we stream, where we talk bikes, beers, goes down the rabbit hole, and we talk a lot of bollocks, as we did this Friday just gone. Go and watch them if you haven't watched it on the replay. Go and watch it on the replay, but don't forget, thumbs up, like, subscribe. Comments as always in the bottom below. If you want to see that the next video is coming up in the series, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget all those vloggers as well. So the others I forgot to mention, obviously Jim Diesel, missed him, Dad and Mad, Tins on Tour. There are loads that are in my list, of course all the American bikers like Junkyard Dadski, Goofy Bastard, all of those. Go and check those guys out. Great van, I can't see past him. That's better. But until the next time, guys, we're out riding. Whatever you're doing this weekend, have yourself a good one. And as always, be well, ride safe, and from RB, it's a big goodbye from me.